Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Pension Company Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, you have seen there are loads of people who have joined in PCS Global in our EILP program across pan-India basis. All of them have that only one and only aspiration to make their career, to build their career as an IT professional or as a software developer. So why they are joining PCS Global and what is this EILP program? So in my today's session, I'm going to talk with Mehul Shah and he will tell us about this process. Okay. In my previous videos, I have already talked about this EILP process, but right now I come up with the resource who is working, already started working in this process. So hi Mehul, this is Devamitra.
Hello and good afternoon. My name
Good
is Mehul
afternoon.
Shah.
Yeah. So
And
Mehul, tell us about yourself. In which year you passed out and all those your academical qualifications and all.
yeah. So, as already mentioned, my name is Mehul Shah. I am a 2023 Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology pass out in computer engineering.
Mm-hmm.
And it has been slightly over a month since I have passed out from Thapar, and I'm currently looking for a job.
Mm-hmm.
And as I was searching through the different websites that exist, Naukri.com, Internshala, LinkedIn,
Mm-hmm.
in LinkedIn, I came across PCS Global's one offer for a software developer, and I decided to try and apply for it. After applying, shortly after, I received a mail with a meeting link where we were going to have a pre-placement talk, in which PCS Global introduced themselves and their EILP program. And I joined the EILP program through that.
Okay. So at first, you already applied for the job in PCS Global, then you came across through our interview process, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell us about the interview process? How this process has been conducted?
It was a straightforward process. It was a pre-placement talk where PCS Global talked about the new program they're starting, which was the EILP program, or a program for new hires and new employees to be trained so
Mhm,
that they can learn the necessary skills they need for
mhm,
real life job applications. And among that, they made a very good offer where it was like you pay 1,000 to them, and
mhm.
then they'll train you for about 2 months in the field that you want to specify in. Then they will help you in like present you job opportunities you can through which you can apply from them and test yourself as well. In it, there was a two-step process actually. The first one was that PCS Global themselves would do the interview, and
Mhm.
after that, then whenever you go for a placement opportunity that they provided or brought in, you can apply in that. And afterwards, you need to just do one final payment for to them as like a 1 month of 10% of your CTC.
Mhm.
And during that time, I thought that it was a very good proposal in a way. Since I do believe that my base skills, while are there, they still need quite a bit of polishing and refining.
Mhm.
So I decided to join this program.
Great. So, Mehul, tell me one thing. When you have started you have started working with PCS Global, probably in over a week, you have got any opportunity to work, like to learn some technologies. So, in which technology you are getting trained right now?
Currently, since it feels like an open course, I've decided to train myself in three main technologies.
Mm-hmm.
One is SQL, which is mainly for backend. One is Java FSD, since I'm currently attending those classes. And the final one that started recently has been the data analyst course in Python.
Data analyst also. Okay, great. So, Mehul, after taking some classes, probably you have already getting some classes from our side, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the feedback about the class? How are you feeling? Is it really helpful for you to build your career, or do you have any prior knowledge in any technology?
I did have prior knowledge in Python and SQL. As for Java, it's something that's completely new to me. I have not practiced much in it. So for SQL classes, it's working as a great revision and a good reminder because it has been a while since I have worked on SQL. As for Java, since it's completely new, while I am a bit slow at it, the classes have been a great help in helping me to further develop and improve my Java skills.
Okay, so how many days
And
you have got the classes?
in little over a week, since the classes are often scheduled on specific days, I have taken 4 Java classes, 4 SQL classes, and it's going to now be 3 Python classes. But tomorrow
Okay,
is the next scheduled one.
13 classes you have already, 10 classes you have already done then,
Yes, approximately.
approximately. Okay, so what do you think? Our instructors or our tech mentors are enough to give the training? Are they their skill set about their skill set? What you wanted to say? Is their
Mm,
knowledge is enough to train you and people like you who has just completed their technical education as well?
I believe so, yes. They are really friendly and they're often helpful. They're extremely responsive even in the middle of classes, so long as you are active in asking the questions.
Hmm.
And they often try and do their best to resolve doubts as soon as possible. So that itself has been a great help, since there are times when I get a lot of confusion, especially during Java classes, and
Hmm.
they have been very helpful in solving those queries.
Okay, so who is taking the Java classes?
I'm unfortunately unable to name them. I
Okay, you
have,
know the name of the mentors. No issue. It's
yes,
you
I
have
joined
just
in the middle
joined.
because,
Okay,
yes. But,
so after some time we'll get to know all
uh,
the mentors. So Mehul, tell me one thing. If you wanted to tell something about this EILP program to the candidate who has not joined yet or who has just passed out like you in 2023, and right now they are not taking any initiative to work, or they are not, maybe they are also in quest of any job. So what will be your advice that either this process will be helpful for them or not? What do you think?
I personally believe that this process will be extremely helpful for them. From what I've seen so far,
Mhm,
it is extremely educative. It's a good use of time. And since I have been hired as a software trainee engineer,
mhm.
I can technically put it on my resume as well. So that's one upside to it.
Sure.
But other than that, the training itself is incredibly helpful. So I do believe that for people that may not be or are trying to find jobs but are unable to, as a pretty good starting point, this EILP program might be a good fit for them.
Okay, so as per your opinion, those who are just waiting for any opportunity in their life, they can immediately join this EILP program because it will be helpful to build their career through PCS Global. And as per our opinion, we are doing this process for them who wanted to start their career, because we know what is the gap between the industry and the resource. So we are trying to prepare all of them to build their career through PCS Global. Okay. Thank you, Mehul, for giving your valuable time. So bye for now, and I wish you a very good career ahead. Okay.
Now, thank you, Miss.
Most welcome. Bye for now.